right, today we got half-inch ratchet with a 21mm socket on there. We're cranking at this bolt. I got this extension for all the leverage possible. I got it loosened. Now I'm just gonna take it off. Same thing is true on this side. That's how it looks just on the other side. 21mm. This one might be spinning on the inside. I don't have a wrench big enough. I'm gonna have to make another trip to AutoZone as usual, but so far making it work. So it's not rotating or anything. So if it is, then I need to grab a wrench, toss it on there and hold it while I turn this. That might be a problem I can see in the future, but for now it's working. All right, here we are. We're about to crank this one loose. I got a downward angle. It's freaking kind of late right now, but I'm just gonna give you a quick update. So far what I have done is take this upper control arm out. It was an incredible pain in the butt to get that one out. It was completely seized in there. So what I had to do is actually use an angle grinder to just cut it straight down the middle. Like I cut it there, I cut it there, I cut it there. I cut it all over. It was really not fun, but got it out. Took a while. Really had to fight with it. I'm telling you, it was bad. I spent a full day fighting with it. So anyway, I had some Core Seal left over, so I put it all over the spots where it was rusting here. So I'm gonna try and get that as well. I didn't get every single little spot, but I tried to do as best as I could. Shit, man, there's rust everywhere. But anyway, so yep, right now just letting that dry overnight. It's already night time, so I'm calling it for the day, but let it dry. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna come over here, can it with Rust-Oleum, let it dry for a little bit, and then get to work. I'm gonna start assembling it again. All right, welcome back. It's day 3 or 4, I don't remember anymore. We got a C-clamp pressing in into a socket into a piece of board, and I'm gonna show you why. One of these, the dowels, which the camber bolts sit on and rotate so you can make adjustments, etc. Yeah, that thing fell out, so I had to makeshift my own little press. Here, I'll take it off real fast. Yeah, I can see it's pressed in. Oh, okay, got that out. Oh, it's not even fully in. But anyway, that's what I'm in the middle of doing. I'm pressing in that little stupid thing. All right, y'all, welcome back. It's day 6 or so. Had another battle with this bolt, but luckily I'm experienced now. I did the other side, so this side was not too bad. I noticed that it was seized, so I immediately just got to the angle grinder, cut it down the middle, and chopped off both sides of the bolt. Was able to sort of finesse it out. Not easy, but yeah, the disassembly is the hardest part. Putting it back together, well, also ain't easy. I will tell you one tip that I did have. So on this side, in order to line up this strut, you have to also keep the bottom in line, obviously, right? And the strut doesn't rotate. Like, if the bottom bolts, sorry for the shaking, if these bottom bolts do not line up, like if they're crooked in either way, in either direction, you can't just twist it with your hand because it's a fixed thing. So what I had to do a bunch of times is take the strut out, compress the spring, again using those tools, and then be able to rotate it until it lines up. I did that about 6 times, but I just figured out, check this out. All right, if you take the back 2 bolts of strut, make sure those are perfectly parallel to the bottom, you'll be good. That's what I did at the very end. I was twisting it and twisting it, and then I'm like, all right, what if I just align these two? I did some research online, and I think that's the best way to do it. So I hope the same is true on the other side when I put it back together. But yeah, right now, so this side's all done. I just need to put a dust cap on this. I got that coming in the mail because I had to destroy this one. It's busted. But yeah, so I'm getting close to being done, man. Getting close. The end is near. See, all this shit I had to cut off. The end is near. So now to put it back together, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to do some rust cleanup. As you can tell, I started wire brushing a little bit here, but I didn't finish. So I'm going to finish wire brushing. I'm going to put some Coral Seal on it, and then I'm going to spray it with some Rust-Oleum. So I've been using this like premium enamel stuff. I heard it's decent. So yep, day 6, I think. I don't know. I lost track of what day it is anymore. I'll just keep grinding on this thing every single day until I get it done, because I just want to drive this truck again. So I also do have to do the back, and then also, oh boy, I got to show you something else. So in addition to this project, I'm also doing the rear struts, of course. I got those parts in the bed right here, the rear 2 struts. And then I got the control arms. I got new tie rods. We're doing a full rebuild on this bad boy. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm doing all that. But check this out. I did my diff change recently, and the mother effer started leaking. Like, are you kidding me? So as I was working on this thing, I went back here. I'm like, why is there shit all over the floor? It's freaking, diff oil. It's leaking out the damn diff. It's because I used the freaking RTF sealer. So I think I still got some of that shit here. RTF sealer. I don't know. I don't have it. I can't have it with me. But it's like, it comes in a thing like this, and it's gasket maker. This might actually be what I used. So anyway, avoid that shit. Just go straight to the gasket. That's what I ended up buying. I bought the real gasket because fuck that sealant shit. It does not work well. Or I just didn't do it right. I mean, I'm sure it works if you do it right, but I fucking put it all around. I, secured it tightly. So I don't know what's happening. But anyway, let's get to work.